I should be over all the butterflies. I've been into you. 'Cause you make my earthquake. You make my earthquake. I'm riding around, your love is shaking me up. Yes.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabrielle. In today's video, I have a V-part wig. Okay, but I'm wearing it a little bit different. Okay, I'm wearing it differently than I normally would. And usually when you have a V-part wig, obviously you have the V shape or whatever, and then your leave out is right here, right? So I didn't do that, okay? I left the perimeter of my hair out, and so this way I don't have tension from the clips, because I've always said with V-part wigs you have to be very careful because the clips will put tension on your hair, and especially if you got fine hair, your hair gonna break off real quick, okay? So the way that I have it installed is I just have my leave out in the front and I flipped it over, and you cannot even tell that is a V-part, okay? I would say you can more so do this with curly hair like this than anything. So let's backtrack. So this wig is from, I don't want to mispronounce the name, so I'm going to leave the name in the title, and everything's going to be in the description box with the link to this wig, so make sure you check the description box. But this is the first time that I have worked with this company, I believe, and they sent me this curly V-part wig, and I'm going to put the inches down in the description box as well, but it's freaking pretty. It's so pretty. The hair is so lightweight. It's so soft. The curls are so big and bouncy. No complaints whatsoever. And the density of this wig, chef's kiss. It is just, I love everything about it. It's not too frizzy. I've been putting my fingers in it, and I can already tell this is a very low maintenance, a very convenient wig, a wig that you put on and go. Okay, you're not going to have to do much. So if you're a beginner, definitely this is a wig to get your, your feet into the wig game if you're not already there, because try it out, okay? And like I mentioned in another video, I'm just really into the hairline being as natural as possible. And yes, you can finesse lace. You can, okay? But nothing is more natural than just having your hair out in the front, okay? You can't clock nothing, okay? And you're not having to manipulate your hair like that with heat and everything like that with your leave out. Obviously, you guys saw what I just did. It was a simple twist out. That's it. Just twist out, okay? So you can still grow your leave out and you don't got the tension from the clips. This wig, it is so many ways that you can just like install it in your hair. You don't have to use the clips. And it is on my head too. I just took advantage of the combs. Right here on both sides of my ear, one in the back. It has an elastic band and it has a drawstring. So this wig is snug on my head. It's not going to fall off just because I'm not using the clips in the V-part section. So now, if you're not afraid of using the clips, then honey, go ahead. Use the clips. Okay, I just want to give the other girlies that are like me, afraid of clips, another way of using or installing V-part wigs, because child, we can wear them too, okay? I'm gonna stop talking here. Everything is, I say this every time because I have the most convenient, most manageable wigs lately on my channel, but it is very self-explanatory, child. Just put it on your head and move your fingers around, and that's it. That's it. So that's about it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will check you guys out in the next one. Bye.
I should be over all the butterflies. I've been into you, and baby, even on the worst night.